Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I kind of slowed things down so I can get an actual introduction in and show y'all how dark her hair was prior. But we are doing a balayage today, as you can read from the title. And what I'm doing is doing diagonal back. And I like to take a big slice and then break that slice up and tease each individual strand. So you can see me teasing this slice, and then I will take my Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. I am using 7 volume for this. She does have previously lightened ends, and I'm taking it mids to ends and then feathering my way up and placing each section in a foil. So I like to take about an inch section and then break that up in half. And then I again paint the lightener mids to ends and kind of feather my way up. I'll continue with the diagonal back section until I feel like the head is rounding, and then I'll start doing horizontal and then diagonal, and I'll create that pattern back and forth as I go up the head.
Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music, the little things.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the sides. And again, I'm still taking those diagonal sectionings. I like to grab the baby hairs, still give them a good tease because I do like a nice blend. And then I just paint that lightener. I don't really feather it as much. I switch brushes right here just so I can really saturate those little baby hairs, making sure those foils stay, they don't have any slipping. And I just continue diagonal all the way up her sides, kind of like how you would do a traditional highlight set. And as you can see, my teasing a hot mess. You can see all those foils are placed nicely throughout the head. Okay guys, we shampooed her and toned her with a 9-65 and 8-0 by Schwarzkopf. I love the Vibrance line. And after we toned her, I let it sit for about 5 minutes and we gave her a good deep conditioning, and now we're on to straightening. As you can see, she lifted really nicely. I think the whole processing time from beginning to end took me right at 5 hours, which is pretty good for the amount of length she had. We did a good cut, we did a good deep conditioning, and I'm really excited to show y'all what the end results are going to be for this. Okay, this blend is amazing. She wanted something that was a little bit on the lighter side, but she still wanted to stay in the brunette category. So I felt like this blonde color is just such a perfect match. It's going to be easy for her to keep up with because it's low maintenance balayage. I'm going to give you a look at the before photos. You can see how dark it is, and you'll see the after. Oh my gosh, the sunlight makes a big difference. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at champagne_hair_extensions.